Hello guys, I'm back here today with you with another video with
Skullslime Gaming.
I have his channel right there. You can subscribe to him. So today I'm doing a review, another review
Of A5 Samsung Galaxy A5 2017.
We have the same phone, so we did this video today.
Okay. We were inspired by our possession of this phone. So, let's start with the features. What about you? Do you agree? Yes. Okay.
Then the interview.
Yes. Sorry about that, guys. We're fine.
Okay, so we have the same phone. He has it since summer and I have it for 2 months now. And Samsung Galaxy A5 of 2017 comes at 300 euros, which is $320 approximately. Well, this is a great phone, as well, this is a great phone.
Come on.
So it has this always on display. You can choose states and all this. It has a fingerprint scanner.
It's quite awesome, right, Hermes?
Yeah.
What I want to say about it is that when you turn it off and you have always on display right here, when you place it downwards,
or in a bag, or
yes, you can actually always on display is actually off, and when you pick it up and it catches light, it is back on.
It didn't work, but if you like have it in your pocket and things like that, it works.
So that you can save energy.
Yeah. This is a feature that you can turn on or turn off. I think it's off.
Here,
you can see alarms.
Yes.
If you swipe to the left, if you swipe to the right, you can see
videos,
music
YouTube,
or videos, whatever you watched before.
Here you have a calculator.
No, you
can actually place every app you want.
Sure. Okay. Well, there it has Android Nougat. Let me just show you. Settings. You can see this the version that the Android version that you have. Going to settings, about phone, software information, and then Android version. You can, if you tap it a lot of times, gives you this. Other Android versions had a game there, Android Nougat. The game of Android Nougat is this. You have a disc and you feed cats. It's not really as good as the other games, but whatever. So, well, the phone has 3 GB of RAM, 3010 mAh of battery, 32 GB of storage. You have the Samsung version, I think it's called. I don't remember. Wait. Yeah, it has Samsung Experience version 8.1, which is the latest, and also this version comes with some really amazing features, but we'll talk about them later. Well, we're going to focus on the phone. So it has a 16 megapixel camera, front and back, and you can it's feature of Samsung Experience version that you can double tap the home button, so it has real good features in here. And also, well, what do you say?
I think it's a great phone, but for some reason it has 2 apps for email. For example, here we can see email, and here it is Gmail. For some reason, yes.
I've also downloaded Outlook.
No, yeah, I heard that. I think they give you also a present, so some megabytes if you download it. I don't really know.
Also,
it works really good especially with games, you can do it. And I think
Yeah,
there is
it
a
has
special
this
game launcher.
launcher. Yeah, game launcher.
It has a screen recorder so that you can upload videos on YouTube. Maybe we will do sometime a video about the game, not for surely, but
for mobile game.
it is awesome. I think it has already uploaded Facebook. But the rest need to be installed. Yes.
He's not really into technology, so he doesn't know the terms.
You can see that my friend Hermes has Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, so you can follow him.
Yeah, there are accounts are on the screen right there, and also in the description. Well, this is a great phone.
So guys, thank you a lot for watching. I'm just joking, sorry. You can continue.
Okay, so I really recommend this phone, but if you don't have
Me too.
a lot of money to spend on a phone, you can always choose, let's say, Samsung Galaxy J5 is another good phone, or a Xiaomi. But it is worth it. So thanks for watching this video. That was it for today, and goodbye,
nice day.
guys. Have a nice day. See you in the next one.
Bye guys.